While driving, the full truth is never captured by just one front dashcam. Accidents don't happen in just one direction. myTVS triple view dashcam, 3 cameras, complete truth. High quality 4K front view camera, high definition rear view camera, unique cabin view camera for audio and video recording inside the car, inbuilt G sensor that starts recording even when the car is switched off. All important accident recordings are kept in locked and safe mode. Direct battery wiring kit for 24/7 parking surveillance with intelligent low battery protection. Crystal clear night vision mode, 125-degree wide angle, anti-shake image stabilization technology, inbuilt display for live preview. Control everything from myTVS Dashcam app, settings, live previews or past recordings. 3 cameras, 1 memory card, supports up to 512 GB of memory that provides 24 hours of continuous recording. myTVS triple view dashcam, truth of every drive.